Today, I'll walk you through how to create events in Google Calendar API using OAuth 2.0, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate your applications with Google Calendar, so you can streamline your scheduling process and enhance productivity. Let's get started. First, you need to choose the application you want to integrate with Google Calendar. This choice is crucial because it sets the stage for your integration journey. Think of it like selecting the right tool for a job. Each app has its unique features that can enhance your calendar experience. Once you've chosen your app, the next step is to click on it to begin the integration process. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be connecting your app to Google Calendar using OAuth 2.0. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core steps will remain the same. Now look for the option to connect your Google Calendar. This is typically found in the app settings. It's like finding the right door to enter a room. You need to ensure you're heading in the right direction. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you will find various options, including the ability to manage your calendars. Click on the Calendars section to proceed. This is where you can see all the calendars linked to your account. After that, you will want to add a new account. This is a straightforward step, but it's essential for establishing the connection between your app and Google Calendar. Click on Add Account and then select Google. This is a critical moment, as this is where the integration truly begins. You will be prompted to sign into your Google account. Make sure to choose the correct account you want to link. Once you've done that, accept all permissions and click on Continue. This step is vital because it allows your app to access your Google Calendar data. After successfully signing in, you'll want to check if the OAuth integration was successful. This is like checking the connections on a new gadget to ensure everything is working as it should. Now it's time to explore the features of your app and create an event. Click on the option to create an event and follow the prompts to set up your new calendar entry. Once you've created your event, head over to Google Calendar to see if it's working properly. This is the final test to ensure that your integration was successful. If everything looks good, congratulations. You've successfully integrated your application with Google Calendar using OAuth 2.0. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.